Hello everybody, welcome back. Those that are new, thanks for checking it out. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Remember, check out my IG. So right now, what we talking about? This is annoying me. Alright, so I had changed the shifter a while back, but this part was just annoying me to see in the gear lights here as well. It defeats the purpose if it's going to be on here. So I want to get rid of this, make it more cleaner. Let me take this off right now because we're going to be pulling this whole thing up anyway. Now here's what I'm going to be putting here. The manual shift boot, and it has the trims and everything. So pop that out, pop this in, and should be simple enough and done. So stay tuned and see the end results, what's going on.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Turn on the live, come we live, yes sir. Me at the 5, yes sir. We outside.
This is simple. This is very simple. So we're gonna start here, pull this up. Everybody should know how to pull this up. See there? Oh, simple enough. See? I got all these extra wires down here. So I'm gonna pull this off. Then I guess I'm gonna have to pull. Since I have to keep these wires connected, or do I? I don't think so. This wire, the wire for that, I can pull that out, and then I'm just gonna tuck this away in the side so it's out of the way. So this wire that branches off is just going to this basically, which is not necessary because I don't need to light that up anymore. I could have been plugged it out. I didn't even realize. Because plug it out and then basically it's off. But either way, I still don't want it, so we have to pull all of this good stuff off. Can I pull this off? See, then here's the next one on this side, which goes to this. Do I even need that to be plugged into either? And this is plugged in and is going to this, and this goes to that. It's like so much extra wires. Is it necessary? Let me plug it out and see. Put you guys down to just stand up and look. Put this stabilize that. I would say plug it out. See that? Not gone. Take this off. Up and out of there. Don't need it no more. Obviously now I gotta pull this off to put this back on, but I'm just gonna have to make sure these wires are tucked out to the way. Put them all to the side. So all of these wires are gonna have to be tucked out the way to the side. Put it like this. Down here has enough space where it's not in the way. Alright. Stop that. This is gonna look so much neater, so much better. Well worth it, in my opinion. So here we go. Pause this for a little bit. Alright, so shift knob off. We're gonna just basically simple enough slide this into this, guys. This is not even that. So annoying. Slide this in here. Just gotta make sure all these wires are out of the way, and that's the most important. After that, got nothing else to worry about. This is good, it's clean. So I put it on there. I just don't want it to pinch, the wires to pinch or anything. It's not frame not fitting perfectly, but by eBay stuff, that's what you get. Metro cost. No, there you go. Popped in. Bum. That's it. neutral thing. Bum bum. Pick this up, sir. Looks much better now. Mind all this garbage I got over here. Alright, so that looks much neater than what I had before. You know, probably keep my little Delta thing on here. Push this up the park. Hold on, forgot I got first word. Looks much better now than what it was before previously. Loving that. Alright, so that's pretty much is it. Quick video, change up, make sure the interior look right and everything is good with that. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, check out my other videos. I'll put the previous video when I first installed the shift knob and you can see how hideous that did look, but now we got it taken care of, looking wonderful, better than what it was before. Let me switch this off. So now I'm happy and I'm grateful. So bang. Looks much better. Much cleaner look. Need a detail to get this cleaned up. Other than that, this is looking fire. I like it, I like it, I like it. Ooh, y'all remember my gauges? Alright, you know, I guess now is start working on the interior, getting this thing looking a little bit better. Looks alright now, but you know, some of the stuff gotta get taken care of. This wood trim, we're gonna change that up. I don't know if we're gonna put carbon fiber or just do something custom. You know, the door ones we gotta take care of as well. Go around slowly, make sure this thing is looking sweet, nothing too crazy. Still, as I say, you know, OEM plus. I know my car ain't OEM plus, but the interior can be OEM plus. You understand? Little upgrades here and there, because I do like the interior. There's some stuff I just needs to change, you know, the trims and stuff like that. So like I said before, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bam bam bam.